Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now, I know a lot of you are preparing for the OET exam. Let's be real, reading party. It's like speed dating with medical text, like very fast, intense, and if you're not careful, super confusing. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will not only understand part A, but you will also have the best strategies to tackle it like a pro. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's dive right in. When it comes to the structure of OET reading party, what does this task actually look like? Let's break it down step by step. You will get four short texts, all related to single healthcare topic. So these could be medication tables, treatment guidelines, symptoms and diagnostic criteria, flow charts or diagrams. You will get 20 questions to answer in just 15 minutes. So this is designed to test how quickly you can find and record the information. So here, no time for deep thinking. This is like a find it, write it, move on situation. And these are some of the question types that you will get it, like matching type and short answer questions, sentence completion questions. And remember, time is your biggest challenge. You need to be really fast, but also accurate. It's a little difficult, right? Don't worry, I got you covered. Now, why does OET even have this section? What are they trying to test? Expeditious reading. This means reading quickly to find the important stuff. You are not reading for fun, right? You are hunting for answers like a detective. So remember that. And locating information. When we are speaking about locating key information, this means OET wants to see how well you can scan a medical text and find exactly what you need. And the next one is recording information accurately. If you spell something wrong or change a word, or if you are adding unnecessary details, that means it's wrong. This is not school where you can rephrase or paraphrase. You must copy directly from the text. Got it? And understanding different text formats. So you are going to be looking at tables, flowcharts, and different structured text. You need to be comfortable navigating them really fast. Now let's see how to prepare for OET reading part A effectively. In order to succeed in Part A, first you must develop expeditious reading skills. Remember reading quickly while extracting key information. So here's how you can sharpen these skills. First one, try to master the art of skimming. In Part A, you don't have time to read every single word. Instead, train yourself to skim through text to grasp the main idea quickly. And how to practice that, you can pick any medical or general text. You can set a timer and focus only on titles, headings, subheadings, bullet points like introductory sentences and labels and visual information. So this will help you develop the habit of identifying essential details instantly. And second technique is scanning technique. Scanning is all about finding specific words or phrases without actually reading everything. Okay, so think of it like using the control plus F search function on a computer. And you can practice reading passages or even listening test transcripts. Look at a question, then you can move your eyes quickly over the text to locate the keyword or number without reading the entire sentences. So you can try scanning in a non-linear way also. Move your eyes backward, up, or down instead of the usual left to right reading pattern. So word searches are another fun way to build scanning speed. You can try that and build your speed gradually. So don't rush into time to practice. First, try to focus on understanding the instructions, strategies for different question types. Once you're confident in your approach, then you can start working on your speed. So, accuracy comes first, speed will follow with practice. And I'll tell you why these skills are matter. In the healthcare profession, quickly locating and recording critical information is very important. By preparing well for OET reading party, You are also improving skills that will benefit you in real life medical strategies. Okay? So, when we are talking about the question types, the first one is matching questions. So, you are given four short text, right? Like labeled A, text B, text C, and text D. Each question contains a piece of information and you must match it to the correct text. And your answer should be a single letter. So when they are giving the text or the sentence, you should try to find out which text does it belong to. So this task tests your ability to quickly locate relevant information in different types of text. So here is a strategy. You need to skim all text first, underline keywords in the questions, and try to locate the matching information efficiently. Then comes the short answer questions. So these questions require you to extract specific information from the text. Your answers must be very concise, typically one or two words at a short phrase. And they may include words, numbers, or sometimes both. It depends on the question type. And full sentences are not required. So, how many words they require, based on that, you can write it. And here is the strategy. Try to find relevant text. That is very important, right? And you have to identify the exact words from the text and ensure your answer is spelled correctly and accurately copied. So, this is very important. Remember, no rephrasing or paraphrasing. And when it comes to the sentence completion question types, these work similarly to short answer questions, but this one requires you to fill in the blanks in a given sentence. So you should use exact words from the text. The sentence provides a clue to the missing information. So here's an example. This is a text A, medication guidelines for diabetes management. Please, you can pause the video, you can read it by yourself, or else if you want to come back when I'm moving to the next slide, also you can do it. Management of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus type 2 is a chronic metabolic disorder characterized by insulin resistance and relative insulin deficiency. Management involves lifestyle changes and medication. So they have given the lifestyle modifications also. Maintain a balanced diet with whole grains, lean protein, and vegetables while minimizing processed sugars and fats. Engage in regular physical activity such as brisk walking for at least 150 minutes per week. Monitor body weight regularly and aim for a 5 to 10 reduction if overweight. And they have also given pharmacological interventions. So you can just go through this. They have given the medications, what is the mechanism of action, dosage, and the side effects. And finally, routine monitoring includes blood glucose levels, HbA1c every 3 to 6 months, and annual kidney function test to prevent complications. So this is an example of a text you might encounter in your OET reading party. In our next video, you will find additional text extracts for part A along with questions and answers. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.